This modern contemporary home invites the outside in and pushes the boundaries on conventional living. Designed and created out of shipping containers, this eco-friendly home encompasses all you require in a family home. Boasting an enviable position on top of the hill with sweeping views and vistas, the indoor-outdoor living style brings a calm, relaxed environment. From the entrance is a large common space with large glass doors that give the area lots of light and opens up the space to the outdoors. The thoughtfully designed open-plan living area features an upgraded modern kitchen fitted with a large kitchen island, specially designed cupboards for optimal storage, a window to lighten the space, and expensive premium-grade appliances that improve function and usage. Past the kitchen is a casual lounge space fitted with a comfortable couch and a cupboard for storage. Off the lounge area is a well-lit study room. The adjacent versatile open-plan second lounge area or games room is assured year-round warmth by the comfortable fireplace. The lounge area spills effortlessly outside through the glass doors which open up the living area to the spacious outdoor deck. External staircases lead to the upper floor, which accommodates 3 generously proportioned bedrooms and bathrooms. The staircase leads to a sunny balcony. From the balcony is a spacious master bedroom fitted with a comfortable bed illuminated by natural light from the large glass windows overlooking the outdoors, plus a sizable walk-in closet. The master bedroom boasts a luxurious ensuite bathroom ensuring privacy and convenience. The sumptuous master bathroom features a toilet, a glass shower cubicle, vanity, and freestanding soaking tub set in front of a wall with the floor-to-ceiling glass window, which makes the bathroom even more appealing. A bridge from the master bedroom leads to 2 bedrooms of similar dimensions. Each bedroom features comfortable bunk beds, large glass windows for ventilation, and enough room to move around. The 2 bedrooms share a well-appointed bathroom fitted with a fully tiled shower cubicle, double vanities, enough storage, and bathroom amenities. The white painted interior walls create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows, killing that claustrophobic feel associated with shipping container spaces. The amazing outdoor living spaces offer additional entertaining options. The ground floor containers are covered with cotton steel, while the second floor containers are cladded with wood, making the house look simple but at the same time very elegant, with the box profile appearance to match the industrial design aesthetics of the house. Which part of this amazing shipping container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.